SkinClinical reverse light therapy device. And what you're looking at, I bet if you're seeing this for the first time, you're thinking, what are they showing me? Okay, stay with us because this is going to be really like a masterclass in how you give yourself a professional treatment at home. FDA cleared for full face wrinkles. I'm talking about your face, your forehead. Wait till you see how you can diminish your crow's feet. This is SkinClinical's reverse light therapy device, 5 easy payments of $49.90, which actually, if you do some research and see what it costs to get just one of these treatments at a professional's office, I think you'll see that this is a remarkable value. And I am really, really excited to have Dr. Harry Glassman on with me right now. Hi, Dr. Glassman, how are you? Thank you so much for bringing this to QVC. I'm so glad you're in Friday Night Beauty. I've been waiting for this. Okay, so this is beeping because
you're turning it off
I'm turning it off and on, right. So this is truly something that SkinClinicals stands behind. You have a brand that is based on science.
Proven science.
Proven science. And when Dr. Glassman isn't developing phenomenal products, he is really running, as the medical director, one of the most sought after Beverly Hills plastic surgery centers. You do lots of celebrities. He will not say who, do not ask him. Exactly. But a lot of very, very famous people look the way they look because they've gone to visit Dr. Glassman. And one of the things that you have really seen change skin is this idea of light therapy. So you developed a way to bring it to us at home.
We did. Well, first of all, light therapy has been around for a long time. In our med spa and other med spas, there are LED panels that people have used for many years. You continue to turn it on and off.
I'm sorry.
So there are LED panels that people go to the office, they sit in front of for 30, 40 minutes, and it works. And so we applied this to home technology so that people could use this in their own home.
Yeah. So basically what you're going to do is when you hold it up to your face, you see how bright it is? So I turned it on so you could see. As soon as I put this up to my face, I'm not really feeling anything. I know you're seeing the light, but what's happening is I am getting a very targeted, very powerful anti-aging treatment. In fact, before we go any further, I want to show you by just holding it right here up to my face what you can expect to see in a very short time. We have this before and afters, which blow my mind.
Yeah, we did a clinical trial for the FDA, and we studied women between the ages of 35 and 59. We studied them at 4, 8, and 12 weeks. This is one of the subjects. She's a 56-year-old woman who's a Fitzpatrick skin type 4. You can see her before and after. The protocol was, Sandra, to use the device 3 minutes per area. So this woman used that device for 3 minutes, and you can see her before.
And how many times a week?
Every day,
okay,
3 minutes daily.
Okay.
And so you can see if you look at the crow's feet.
So wait, we're talking 21 minutes a week.
21 minutes a week.
For 8 weeks.
Correct.
And that's incredible. That's after 8 weeks. I want you to see this woman after 4 more weeks.
Yes.
After 12 weeks, this is wild. Like, this is next level anti-aging treatment.
Yeah, yes, it is. It's not Botox, it's not fillers, it's not surgery. It's light therapy that's very effective. And it's effective because it increases the collagen production in the dermis of your skin, and collagen basically is the holy grail of all skincare.
So we're going to take it, we have a look at some animation that's going to show you how this works, but this is truly FDA cleared, clinically proven, and what are we seeing here?
So we're zooming in on the skin. You can see the cross section of the skin. The device is applied to the surface. It's activated when it touches the skin, penetrates to the dermis, where over a period of time, new collagen is produced. And as that happens, you can see that the lines and the wrinkles are diminished, and it also improves the texture and the firmness of the skin.
And you know what the nice thing about it is, like, my face is not going to get red. You don't even really feel it, and it's cordless. Unlike some other devices in the same category, it's cordless. So I can basically, talk to you, give myself a treatment. I can watch QVC, and basically, it's just 3 minutes a treatment area.
Comfort of your own home, at a time of your own choosing. Cordless, you're not tethered to the wall. Talk on the phone, watch QVC, talk to your friends, and it's easy and it's painless. That's another thing. When you apply it, there's no sensation.
So you're going to hold it up to your skin, and then, so 3 minutes, 3 minutes. In 6 minutes, in 12 weeks, did you see that before and after? If you want to splurge and do 9 minutes, do your forehead, anywhere that you really want to see a reduction in the signs of aging, because this is what happens when you build collagen. Topical skincare is great, but it can't do this.
Well, it's estimated we start losing collagen at age 25, and we lose about 1.5% per year. So This woman, being in her mid-50s, has already lost about 45% of the collagen in her dermis.
And then take a look after 12 weeks. So you're going to love this after 8 weeks, but after 12 weeks, it is an incredible reduction in this
And you know something, Sandra, one of the things that this photograph doesn't really capture is the changes that take place in the firmness, the elasticity, and the texture of the skin. We studied all those parameters in the clinical trial for the FDA, and the device works extraordinarily well in that capacity. But you can see in this photograph, there's not only a reduction in the number of those deep lines, but there's also a reduction in the severity of them as well.
It's wild. It's absolutely wild, and it's easy. So, you know, if you love the skincare that you're using, I know that I'm very attached to my skincare. We just had Paula's Choice, and I love her products. This is something that will work with the skincare you already have. So we're not asking you to change anything. We're just showing you what you can do 3 minutes a day to any areas you want to treat. And what are the areas that women typically use most?
When we did the clinical trial for the FDA, we studied multiple areas of the face, and based on the results of the clinical trial, we were given full face approval, full face clearance by the FDA, which means you're not just confined to treating your crow's feet, you can also treat the frown lines, the horizontal lines of your forehead, the oblique lines of your cheek, even the lines around your mouth, the traditional smoker's lines.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now, those are lines that a lot of women, when they get, say, well, there's nothing I can do about that. That's incredible.
We have things to do in surgery. We have things to do in our med spa. There's fillers, there's Botox, there's laser resurfacing. But this is something effective that you can do in your own home.
It's wild. So give it a try. 5 easy payments of $49.90. If you don't love it, of course you can return it. But this, you know, there are other LED light therapy devices out there. Here's the point of difference with this one. This is the way you upgrade. This is the same technology as you would get in the professional's office.
That's correct. It is exactly the same technology that we used in our med spa. You can, if you want to, you can make an appointment, drive your car, park your car, come to the office, sit in front of the panel for 20 minutes, and spend considerably more, or you can use this at home.
So it's 828-4199, and we're looking at this, and what we're seeing is something spectacular.
Yeah, well, the light's penetrating the dermis. Collagen is being formed over a period of time. It's not instantaneous. It takes several weeks for this to work. And as that happens, it decreases the lines and the wrinkles, and it improves the firmness and the elasticity of the skin.
You know, and it is incredible because if you think about it, okay, so right now, I know it looks a little strange. I actually don't feel anything, but I am getting that treatment right now. 3 minutes, I could go back over here, 3 minutes notice. It'll only light up when it makes contact with your skin.
Yes, let me show that.
Yeah, let's give a tour of the device.
Let me turn it off first.
Okay.
So it turns on and off by a swiping system. So you swipe twice, and the device turns on. Now you know it's on because of the little light indicators, but the LED, the red and infrared, is not activated until this bezel touches your skin. Now the reason for that is that this is super luminous LED, which means it's been amplified to be extremely bright. It's not dangerous for your eyes. You don't need eye protection, but it's so bright that it's sort of distracting. So when you apply it to your face, you can use it for 3 minutes in one area, and then when you move it across to the other area, it's not shining in your face as you apply it to the other side.
It's fantastic.
It is fantastic.
If you've used this type of light therapy before, this is definitely the upgrade, and we've kept it really affordable. It's exclusive to QVC, 5 easy payments of under $50 for the wow. And I want to see that wow again because we have the before and afters. The only thing this woman did to get these results is to use the SkinClinical reverse light therapy device for 3 minutes a day.
Yeah, it's remarkable that light can do this, but it can, and it does. And you can see from the before and after that there's a remarkable improvement in after 12 weeks of use.
So that's the 8-week. I love this 12 weeks because I'm thinking like 3 minutes a day for 12 weeks. You're going to go into summer with dramatically younger looking skin. And it's not just the eyes, it is all over the face. I will tell you this sold out in its debut. We rushed to get more back for Friday Night Beauty, but we do not have that many to go around, something like just over 600 to go around that we can ship. And we will ship this out to you next week, April 15th, but get it now. The sooner you get it, the sooner you're going to start to see results. I've had this type of treatment one time before professionally, and I do know that it costs a lot of money and it takes some time. You got to drive there, and because of that, because I'm frugal, And because of the time commitment, I never really followed up on it. The fact that FDA cleared to get those same wow benefits at home, it's really exciting. This is super bright. I mean, this is what they use at the professional's office.
Same technology, cordless. Use it at your own in your own home at a time of your own choosing, and you're not tethered to the wall.
That's right. I mean, I could be talking on the phone. I
could.
could be checking my email. I could be watching television. Hopefully, that's
You could be on
QVC.
television.
And I am on television. I'm getting the treatment right now. So again, the technology is not new.
No.
This is proven technology.
It is.
How you've changed it is that you've brought that exact technology into this device.
Precisely.
FDA cleared.
Full face cleared.
Wow. And only available here. So full face. So like if I want to work on, like what about like nasolabial folds? Well, is that a good place?
Nasolabial folds a little different matter. That's a little bit of a deeper line.
Okay.
This is mostly for fine lines and wrinkles. That's a line,
But
a static
lips?
line. Lips,
Okay.
chin, chin,
Oh, okay.
cheeks,
All right.
frown.
Oh, everybody talks about those 11s, right? That's a nice look for me. Everybody talks about these 11s,
And the horizontal lines of the forehead.
which are really tough. They're really, really
Very
tough to tackle.
Very tough.
That's amazing. Wait, how many can we ship right now? Oh my goodness, we have fewer than 400 that we can ship right now. You hear the beeping? That's just the indicator on here. We have fewer than 400 that we can ship right now. Last time we had this on, it sold out. We could not get a lot back for Friday Night Beauty. We did our best. This is what we have. Get it now. It's a top find, one of our true superstar items. If you don't love it, you can return it. But boy, is this worth trying. And for under $50 a month, you get what even the best skincare can't develop. I mean, you want to still use your skincare because it's awesome, but this does what skincare doesn't do.
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's going to rebuild collagen.
It produces you
collagen.
produce your own collagen, which is really what the target is in a lot of skincare, topical as well as technology.
But this goes with the light a little bit different, right?
It goes into the dermis of your skin.
Okay, so here it is. It is awesome. I would love to see those before and afters one more time. FDA cleared for full face, wrinkles on your face, your forehead, the crow's feet. And is there any age for this? I mean, is it ever too late?
No, it's never too late. But as I said, the study, we studied women between 35 and 59. That's sort of an arbitrary age range, which we thought was sort of the target group. We studied those for the FDA. And I think those photographs speak volumes. I mean, I mean, you couldn't even achieve that same result with Botox.
And when look at this, after 12 weeks, that is a wow. 12 weeks, 3 minutes a day. It is SkinClinical reverse light therapy device. If you want this, please don't wait. We are down to our very limited quantities. We only have 150 remaining. That's it. It sold out in its debut. It looks like it is going that way again, and it can take a long time to get this back in stock. Dr. Glassman, it is such a
What a pleasure to be here
So
with
good
you.
to see you.
My
Thank you for
pleasure.
coming to Friday Night
Thank
Beauty.
you.
I'm excited about this. You know what I'll be doing for 3 minutes a day? Or 6 or 9, depending on what I decide to target. Look who came to Friday Night Beauty.
I
How are
did.
you?
I'm always here, but